Hello, welcome again. Anton Abel here. Just bring a quick look video at the Ferrum Forge Stinger. Here's the box here. Came in. Ferrum Forge. Caution. Yep. Ferrum Forge Stinger. There we go. And in the tan model. It comes in this little bag here with the little Ferrum Forge logo, the F for the logo, which is pretty neat. Little bag like that. I bought it probably 2 months ago now, and it's just one of those random ones. A video came up on YouTube. I thought I'd have a look at it. I do remember seeing it a year or so back, a video of the Stinger, and sort of, yeah, it's interesting, but I've got a couple knives already that are like a flipper or a small knife, so I didn't really worry about it. But some time ago I also got the Ferrum Forge Lucky. This is it here. I just put it there, and it's turning out to be a great little knife. I'm liking this sort of swooping point on the end here, and a handy little knife. It's good for opening bags. You can just slide that point in and cut through the threads or whatever you need to do. So, and this one here is a very similar shape. See there, though actually the Stinger is larger. Oh, can't quite get in the frame there. How's that? So you can see the similar shape, that sort of thing. They're made by, the Stinger's made by Civivi Civivi company. They make great knives. I've got a couple of those wee knives. And since I've had it, it's been a great knife. Really nice. And one of the features I was sort of interested, it got me interested to get it, is the blade steel is Nitro V steel. I think it mentions it here. Nitro V, and just briefly, Nitro V is apparently similar to ABL, which is also similar to 14C28N steel. The V would seem to be that some extra vanadium in the steel, and once you start reading about steels and various characteristics, it's sort of basically you'll never stop reading. It talks about hardness, talks about various crystalline structure of the steel, all sorts of things. So it's pretty interesting. And that's Nitro V steel. It's probably the lower end, like 14C28N is compared a lower end compared to some of the super steels that come out, but it's got quite a good reputation. So since I've had it, cutting things, really nice. Got the little bit of a groove on the top, some the jimping things there, really nice. The only sort of logo is the Ferrum Forge logo here, and then it comes down to the scales there. Got a backspacer in there, pocket clip. Interesting, the pocket clip sits inside there, sits flush with there, which is a neat little feature. Only for that side. There's no cutout or screws on this side, it would seem. And a liner lock. The liner lock works pretty well. His name just slips me for the moment, but he took the knife apart, showed what's inside. So little ball bearing washers in there, which is really neat. So it's pretty well made if you're putting the ball bearings in and stuff like that. Here it is compared to this Civivi pintail. I just bring it out because they're both flipper knives. This one's I think it's 35VN steel. Civivi makes really nice knives. They've got a couple of them for reasonable prices. Just see the difference there. So similar in what they're doing and a size range. See that the handle's pretty close there. And see the Civivi one doesn't have the pocket clip recessed like this one does, so a little bit different. And the blade a little bit shorter. And similarly for a reference, the old, well not that old, the great knives, Rat 2 and a Rat 1, great knives. There's the logo there, so we can just have a look just for a size comparison. Line up the pivots there, so very similar in handle length. Different the way the pocket clip fits screws from the outside, not the fold over style. And blade length, about two a little bit shorter, but similar type steels. Just for a quick comparison, I've got the tape measure here. And just line up there, save having to look up the specs yourself. Is just on 80 mils for the blade length, and overall 180, 182 or something like that for the overall length. So there we go, just a quick look at the Ferrum Forge Stinger. Great little knife, really nice. I'm glad I got it with the Nitro V steel. See my Twin label. Thanks for watching. Remember, stay ready, stay prepared, stay alert, particularly in the crazy, absolutely crazy times we're living. Endure to the end, stay strong. Bye bye for now.